Hey guys, we just had a pretty good freeze, which I suppose is an oxymoron, but I just wanted to show you guys the, not really damage, well, there's some damage. I just wanted to show you guys the effects in Oklahoma of a freeze. Let's see, there's the house. Basically it just rained a bunch last night and froze a bunch of ice to the roof. Hopefully my Christmas lights don't break. They were smart and had theirs on. Our neighbors were smart and had theirs on last night, so their lights themselves didn't freeze. Their tree fell over. That sucks. My tree fell over, is falling over as well. See right here, which also sucks. The new tree looks like the grass here is all ice. That's pretty cool. Or not really. This is neat. Somehow the ice here made a mesh pattern, which is kind of weird. But whatever ice. Do whatever you want. My little trees right here are broken. No, they're not broken. My little trees right here are frozen. Again, they have Christmas lights on them. Window, of course, is frozen. Looking pretty good. Look at all this. Look at all this ice. There's like a lake over here now. A frozen tundra is over here. Pretty cool. I really wish I knew how to fix this without breaking it. If you look, there's just a thick layer of ice all over the whole tree. There's like no way I can just break this off without breaking the branches off. So we'll see what happens. I wonder if there's any warranty on the trees. Whoa! It's a lake that's not frozen. It's a pretty nice house. Looks great. It's winterized, I guess, now. Whatever that means. They're building new homes over here and they are frosted as well. Wow. Let's check the mail. Whoa. The mail must go through. The mail must go through. No matter if it rains or snows, the mail must go through. Mail probably wasn't delivered today. Doesn't work. Maybe I can use this frozen stick. Oh wait, here's a frozen rebar. Oh, cool. Ah, no mail.